Hey everyone, it's Dr. Shopovick, and today I wanted to do a little something different and show you guys the audiologist side of things and take a look at the hearing aid software and show you a few of my favorite features on the new Phonak Audio Infinio 90 Sphere. This is one of Phonak's most advanced hearing aids, and they have cutting edge technology inside. So this model is really designed to give you a natural, effortless hearing in even the toughest environments. So the first thing I want to show you here is this is the home page when I program your hearing aids to my computer. So this is where we put in the receiver, power, and size along with the type of dome or ear mold that is going in your ear. And then once we're ready to start the fitting, we'll hit the fitting tab, and then we will go into our real ear measurements. So it is crucial that your audiologist is running real ear measurements to verify that the hearing aid is functioning properly and to make sure that the hearing aids are getting programmed correctly. So without real ear measurements, it's a lot of guesswork when programming the aids. But when we're doing real ear measurements, I am changing these frequencies that you see here, and I can make adjustments to every single one of them if I need to. And this is adjusting the gain or the volume along with the different compression ratios. Next, I'm going to hit on program options and show you some of my favorite features in this new Sphere model. So the first thing I want to talk about is the spheric speech in loud noise. So this is powered by Phonak's new deep neural network chip. This feature helps you follow conversations in busy places like restaurants, family gatherings, any sort of very loud background noise environment. And to kind of go into a deeper dive of the deep neural network chip, this is essentially the brain inside of your i90 Sphere hearing aid. And basically what Phonak has done is they trained this chip with millions of real world sound environments, from coffee shops to parks to, quiet living rooms, or if you're in your kitchen. So this chip knows how to separate speech from background noise in a way that feels very natural. So what does this mean for the patient? So this means that there will be clearer conversations in loud places. So voices will stand out more while the background fades into kind of a balance, or it reduces that noise. It also means it'll be less listening effort on the user. So the chip does all of the hard work of sorting the sounds so that your brain doesn't have to do that and tire out. And then lastly, it's going to create a more natural sound for you. So instead of feeling robotic or artificial, sounds are going to be closer to how your brain remembers them. So I like to think of it as the hearing aid has a tiny sound brain, and it's working every second to give you clearer, more comfortable hearing. Wherever life takes you, whatever environment you're in, it is going to assist you with that. So now that we're focusing back in the software, there is an activation level for the spheric speech and loud noise. So if my patient has extreme difficulty hearing in noise, I'm going to move this to moderate. So this means that the spheric speech and loud noise program will automatically kick in when noise is at a lower level so that they can get the most help. If my patient doesn't have too much trouble in background noise, I'll probably leave it at the default. But recently I have been changing it to 0 because a lot of people report extreme difficulty in noise. Then if we go to other programs in your hearing aids, I'll show you a few other features. So another feature I really like is soft noise reduction, which is right here. So if you feel like the refrigerator humming is too loud or fan noises are too loud, we can actually turn this to weak, moderate, or strong to help reduce those soft noises to ease your listening experience. So I really like using that. Another one that I love is Speech Enhancer. So I can turn this to strong to make speech more crisp and clear for you when you're in a quiet environment. So if you really struggle with soft-spoken individuals or very quiet individuals, this is a great feature to turn up. And then another feature here is noise block. So what noise block is doing, it's reducing steady background noise as well. So without compromising important sounds that are around you like speech. So that is another amazing feature. Then if we go to speech and noise, I also enjoy using the dynamic noise cancellation. So we can again turn this to moderate or strong. And what the dynamic noise cancellation is doing is it's automatically, it adapts to reduce the background noise while keeping speech nice and clear. And this, if I move it to moderate or strong, it's really focusing on what's in front of you while reducing background noise that is in the back of you or the side. So that's how you can see this little green beam right there. So that's just showing that if we increase this, it's really going to help you focus on what is in front of you. And then another feature that I love is this wind block right here. So if you are outdoors a lot, play golf, tennis, this is a great feature to use because it's going to minimize the wind interference when you're in those outdoor situations. So those are just some of the cool features of this new Sphere chip. I fit a lot of these so far on my patients and everyone seems to be loving them. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on hearing aids and hearing health tips. Thank you, and I hope you all have a lovely day.